This video will show you how to set up a smartphone trial. Here I am in a very easy and simple Podio workspace, and I simply have to go to smartphone's website and click Start Your Free Trial. This will bring me into smartphone's ecosystem and allow me to very quickly simply click Login with Podio. Now that's crucial. It's going to take you, and you're going to have to authorize to allow us access into your Podio system to be able to sync. Now, the first step you're going to do is you're going to actually configure smartphone with your Podio system. So you're going to first select your organization. This will likely be this will be your organization, or if you've bought another system, it may be called something else. You can put in your own contact number. In this case, I'm just going to put the blank one. Put in your time zone. This is critical because you can change this, of course, at the end, but the time zone lets us determine your business hours if you use those types of flows, and the default number for purchasing. I'll keep these all as is right now. So the next step that we're going to do is we are going to sync smartphone with your existing Podio setup. So the first thing we recommend is to sync the Contacts app. You will simply select from the workspaces available in your organization. Select the app that you want to sync to. You can only sync to one app. We recommend that you aggregate to one Contacts app. You sync a name field, a phone number field. Now this needs to be a Podio phone field type. It cannot be a single text field. So if you've got a system where you have a bunch of different single text fields for phone numbers, phone number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you're going to need to run a GlobiFlow or an export import to put everything into a phone field. If you've got a phone photo field, you can do that, a job title or anything else, and a company name. And again, it shows the type of fields you can link to. So if you're having trouble linking to something, the chances are it's because you are trying to link to the wrong type of field. And once this is saved, it is going to sync your existing contacts from Podio. I only have one in the demo system. And we are now ready to do the final step to get you going, which is to install the Communications app. Communications app is where we log all the phone calls, text messages, recordings, voicemails, you name it. I'm going to put it in the same place as my Contacts app, and I'm going to click Install. Now, we have to start our 30-day trial by choosing what type of subscription we're going to want to go on to once that once the 30-day trial is up. In this case, I'm just going to check the monthly $50 standard Pro plan or the Pro plan. Again, you can see here, you will not be billed today, cancel anytime before March 29th, 2020, and our refund policy is available. And then you simply need to put in the card, the expiration date and the CCV, and anything if you have a promo code that we've given you. Don't worry, this is a fake card. So you can try it, it ain't gonna get you anywhere. And we start. So once the system is activated, you are going to be in a 30-day free trial, and your system will be limited, as you can see here. Your system will be limited here, and you will have access to a free smart dialer trial as well. We give you $7 of credit to get you started so that you can buy a number and experiment. And you're now ready to go. Buying a number, making a few test calls, you can be up and running in just a few minutes.